Are you in pain right now? Maybe you've had a toothache or a pain that's come and gone over the last couple of years, right? It's a common thing, and I don't want you to feel like you're trapped. I don't want you to feel like you don't know what to do. I can see you and get you out of pain. Usually, I can do it in one day. No matter what it is, whether it's a cracked tooth or whether it's a chipped tooth or whether it's a really broken down tooth, whether you need a root canal or for me to slip it out or just patch it up. Obviously, every tooth is completely different. However, what I try to do is to get you in the same day and get you completely taken care of, especially for anyone around the Renton area. We're able to really get you in very quickly and get you taken care of. Now, when you do come to the office, know that there is no pressure. You're just gonna start out with a quick exam and x-rays. It starts at $19. And that way we know exactly what's going on. You know how much it's gonna cost, and then we're able to move forward with treatment. Generally speaking, I move very efficiently. So you're in and you're out because I know that you're a busy person. You have a lot going on in your life, okay? And going to the dentist generally is down here in the list of to-dos. And I totally get it, no offense taken. I just know how life is. So just so you know, if you are in pain, if the pain has come and it's gone, then we can take care of you in one day. Generally speaking, I'm gonna do everything in my power. Now, if we can't, for whatever reason, we can't take care of you that first day, then we'll at least get you stable. I'll smooth things out. I'll build a couple things up. As in, if there's a big hole somewhere, I'll try to put a filling in there, or I'll get you antibiotics and pain meds. Whatever you need to get you comfortable.